How do you measure your child's height and weight at home? It must be inconvenient, inaccurate, and quite hassling to record the data. So you end up visiting the doctors for more accurate measurements. Say hello to Kiko, the world's first laser height measurer and smart scale. Measure your child's height and weight with ease and accuracy at home. Kiko Height Measurer is portable and easy to use. Because it measures height with a laser, it's quicker and more precise, so you can get accurate figures in a second. Even when it's tilted, auto-calibration technology will automatically compensate for any errors, giving you exact measurements. Kiko Smart Scale is actually smart. With 4 electrodes on the plate, you can get weight as well as 7 body composition metrics. All records are saved in the app, so you can easily track changes. You can even compare your child's data against similarly aged children in the provided WHO database and closely monitor your child's growth development. Grow with your children. Grow with Kiko. Don't bother. Kiko is here to help you.